Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 band, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this. And once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons on it. You can also scroll through the list of icons by swiping left and right. Now find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like this, the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you find this icon, you can tap on it to enable the mode. You will see the message Do Not Disturb. The icon will get highlighted, change the color, and also you will see that the icon of Do Not Disturb mode appeared right here at the top of the panel. And also if you go back to watch face, you will see that the icon appeared at the top of the watch face, and that means that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message again, Do Not Disturb. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the top of the screen will disappear, and from the watch face as well, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.